Hi, my name's Tony. I run Kettle Black Leather. We go under by the name of Kettle Black Arts, and we're available on Etsy, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and a few other things out there, even Instagram. But today we're going to do a quick little pattern and make a card holder. Okay, hang on. Clean up the space here. These are just some of the basic tools you'll need. You got nice hole punches, you got your spare piece of leather. Any of these will work, even if a nail if you don't have a hole punch. That's okay too, because a nail works. All sorts of measuring devices work. Pliers real handy when those needles, sometimes they're a little hard to pull through the holes. So you got to do the best you can. Always treat these cutting blades really careful, with respect, because you'll need them later. Okay, so we're going to need a pen, a piece of graph paper, a ruler, put that off to the side, only throw the little stuff, the important stuff, set that down, or throw within reach. Alright. Yeah, be careful with your tools. You're going to need them. So treat them with respect, even though I joke. Alright. Now you're basically going to get a card, business card. You're going to measure up where you want it. I'm just going to use the center of the graph paper, so I have plenty of this. You're going to measure out where your card equals out. And you're going to move it up one. Allow for a fold, because we're going to do that kind of card holder today. Alright. Now, I already have one pre-made. That'll fit real good. You can see I added a 1/4 inch. This time actually, I'm going to add that 1/4 inch. But then I'm going to add one more. So a 1/2 inch on this side. I'll recenter it. This here now is the new center. This is where your new holes are going to be. So now that we got that mark there, draw the lines real quick. Now remember, there's that manila envelope that came with the kit. It's important that you get ready to understand that you're about to trash that. And I'm just going to tell you what to do with that. It's basically, after you cut this out, you're going to get some decent Elmer's glue, or any type of glue you have on hand, and you're going to glue this to it. Then you're going to get your X-Acto knife, or whatever sharp object you're using, and you're going to cut it out so you'll have a nice hard card pattern. Okay, so it'll be hard instead of paper. Paper works because that's what I want to use, but I'm just showing you this is what it'll look like after. You'll be able to always have your holes marked. It'll be a lot easier, you know. Mark it twice, cut once. Actually, I need to come up here. And my measurement. It's only 4 wide. Need to add that 1/4. What's nice on this stage is you can really fix up your mistakes and catch them before you cut your pattern. Okay. So you're going to get your cutting mat out, your X-Acto knife, a very sharp blade. Remember, if you're under 18, get a parent to help you out, because I don't want to hear that because of me, you did something. I paid attention to those Three Finger Joe movies in school, which I wish they'd play again. Teach you young kids and adults, safety first. Don't got all your digits, you can't wave hello to everybody sometimes. Alright, got that lined up pretty good. I like the clear ruler with a grid. It keeps all your lines pretty square. Pretty handy. Set your scrap off to the side, you may need a pinch. Alright, now we got our main pattern. I'm going to put a line here where the holes are going to go. Now I'm making this one just a smidgen wider, that's a short and curly, than my other one, because I have the enhanced license and you get that annoying little envelope. But it's there for a reason, to keep your information private, so other people can't steal your info the techie way, at least around you. Okay, now we got that established. We're going to take a moment here, let the video thing do its thing. We're back. Make sure you got your tools. This good cutter right here, punching your holes. Utility knife for doing your cuts. Got these nice little clips. Get your nice piece of leather. Ruler. Hole punching board. Get one of these. You can tell this is really in rough shape. That's because I use it a lot. It's pretty awesome. Alright, so this has awesome grain, as you can see here. So I'm going to match this up best I can here. Try to keep my big shiny head out of the video. Alright. Now this is going to be a crucial cut because this lets you know you're squared off right there and there. Make sure your blade is new and sharp. Watch the tips of your fingers. Push your piece off. Alright, now keep your finger on that. What's nice about using the cutting mat is you can spin it and still hold on to your material. So you know your line here should still be pretty spot on with your stencil. But sometimes it shifts, so it's okay. No one's perfect, it does happen. With experience, you always know double check, triple check your cuts. Like when you work with certain materials, you're done after one cut if you mess up. So you try not to. Alright. With that shift, I was pretty close. Okay, this is how we learn. we go. Final cut. Everything's lined up good. You're as square as you think you can be. Even though this is rectangular shape, the corners are squared off. For you science nerds and measurement geeks, because I care, I talk to you like this. Oh, this is what a 50-year-old nerd looks like. Yeah. Anyways, alright, all your pieces are cut. Take these, set them off to the side. This can still be used, and this can still be used for something. That's these two pieces here. Set those off to the side. These two, most likely garbage, so toss them in your little pile. Grab your soft cutting board. That's this bad boy right here. Close up your blade. Safety first. Get your clips. Now normally this stencil won't be so flimsy because you'll have it on your cardstock. As you can see, after you glue it down and wait until it gets rock hard, you cut it out. Then it's like this, but this is real flimsy. Here's the difference. Definitely helps when it's on the cardstock. Do your clips. Alright. Everything's lined up good there. Everything's lined up good on this corner. So now you got yourself rock solid pattern. Now, I use a 2-pound dead blow hammer. Sometimes a 1.5 pound dead blow hammer. It's really nice. It's pretty easy to use, and it's a lot less stress on your arms. But it does hurt every little bit. Just cause, watch the bitch. Alright, so punching those holes. What's nice about this, you go back into the holes that were already there, so you know you're on a nice straight line. Alright, you're good there. Come down here. I'll show you in the other camera in a minute. But on this one right now, notice I didn't punch a hole there or there. That's important. You won't be stitching there anyways. I'll stay one hole from the top on both. This is where you'll be stitching both seams together to make your wallet or slimline card holder or whatnot. But what's nice about this one now is it'll also hold your enhanced license, because now there's enough extra room for that little pocket sleeve they give you. Okay? Alright. So I'm doing pretty good on time here. I'll have to do sewing in the next video for you. So I think on YouTube you only allowed 15 minutes. So I want to make sure I stay within that guideline. And I gotta teach myself some of that PC stuff. Because my age PC meant politically correct. Since that's out the window, I just gotta learn techno. Alright. So all holes are punched. You can see there. Here all the holes are punched. Real nice. Part 2 coming up in a little bit. Have a good night.